Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by opening the app and creating a new canvas sized for your output. Choose dimensions that match your final use. Once done, pick a brush preset and set size and opacity so lines are predictable. Smaller sizes for detail, larger for fills. Make sure to enable layers immediately and add a base layer and a sketch layer above it. This keeps your rough marks separate and lets you lock or lower opacity while you refine the drawing. You should block in the major shapes first, using a simple round brush or fill tool so composition reads from a distance. Doing broad shapes prevents overworking early details. Next, use transform and selection tools to nudge proportions and align elements. Snapping and guides help keep perspective consistent. Once forms are placed, add a clipping mask or group for shading, then paint midtones on a dedicated layer to build depth. This workflow keeps edges clean and edits non-destructive. Finish by cleaning stray marks, toggling layer visibility, and adjusting final color balance or contrast. You want the image to read at the intended size. When exporting, check resolution and color profile, export PNG for transparency, JPG for compressed web images, and use resampling to resize without losing quality. If something goes wrong, try the key troubleshooting tip. Enable stroke smoothing or increase canvas size and downsample. That reduces jagged edges and preserves crisp.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.